keyhole and hinge simultaneously process, greatly reducing machining time and improving efficiency. Servo clamp, accurate positioning, intelligently adjust clamps according to machining location. Automatic barcode scanning, in feed for process and automatic unloading after the process completes realizes production automation. PC control, smart and visualized editing software easy for operation. 3 spindle equipped for key slot, keyhole and hinge process, guarantees the best performance. Heavy-duty machine with anneal treatment ensures high rigidity and accuracy.